Country. Imagine.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, and if you haven't already, you know I'm gonna ask you to hit the subscribe button. So for today's video, I'll be taking you guys with me to Blue Lagoon, which is in Port Antonio. You know, the famous Blue Lagoon. Yes, so I heard that they had some renovations up there and the entire place set up new, so we're going to go up there and check it out to see what it's like. So if you're interested in that, just stay tuned and remember to hit the like button for me as well. Come and get station buffet for get coconut water and tell me why this liquor bottle for $350. I mean, I'm thirsty, but not $350. Thirsty type of thirsty. Like, me put this back, I go buy one jelly out there, so me pay the $350 for jelly because jelly I have more than this. I'm not paying $350 for this.
Crazy.
Crazy. So me end up buy coconut water because I don't want sweet drinks. I'm gonna feel for water. Jamaica is so expensive to live. I was sleepy. And the lady from the front not even realized. I'm sitting I never laugh because it's not funny. It's not funny. He ended their chat and they want to drop asleep with people. I laugh to me, she never take things to the love drops in your words. How would they you never funny. I told me afraid. I'm nervous. I laugh. Her intern is scared. I laugh. You're about nervous, but I'm there, so I sit here. Yeah, I laugh. Because you take a little time and cry. You realize when you start driving a little faster now, because you know say you did a drop asleep, so you cry.
So anytime you reach the bad place, just come like this, don't relax and
I style, me don't like that style, sir. Please don't do you when we in here. That's a dirty style, sir. Because we say yeah, drop a sleep a country we come from. You will have put in a country, sir.
A my style. Yeah.
Alright.
My style.
I don't want to Portland no country. A city I live in Portland.
Alright guys, so we reach back to Blue Lagoon. Yeah, we're going Blue Lagoon. Hi Christopher.
You guys operate there, you know?
Okay.
What do you want to do today? Some rafting or some boat ride?
We're not sure yet. Yeah, so the taxi man faced it after I drop asleep. I always say something about it. I come say we come from what country. I tell him passenger. I laugh because it's never funny.
I tell him passenger, they both him a drop asleep. As if he never did a drop asleep.
This gentleman is going to take us around the entrance in the buggy. Come, Chupsi. Eh? No. Jesus Christ! Huh? Yes, oh, yes. Chopstick on the front seat.
Oh, yes, it is.
Listen, I was. That was quick.
up too much in your baby.
No, I didn't put it up more come on the step then. Not right there, so.
No, sir.
Thank you though. We appreciate
Thank you, sir.
Roll. So we're from
Huh? Portland girl.
Sure.
Yeah. The Portland have the best woman them.
You want that shit and then sit next to
Eh?
You don't know them face. You know the last then. The last.
Oh yeah, it's fine. I'm sorry.
Look at this water. Look how blue and pretty. Like,
65 meters,
Hello?
213 feet.
oh, okay. And which parish will come compare to Portland when we have them waters here? Like, no sentence, no we can compare to this.
World famous Blue Lagoon.
World famous.
It goes out at the end of the day. But I get out there.
Oh no, we did over there, so I made left today. Come on. Alright, so we're gonna change and go in our water and get Chupsy a life jacket.
Now
And
the
go swim.
and get Chupsy a life jacket.
Yeah, cause Chupsy are going in our water.
Jamaican.
So we got to change.
Jamaica, what army?
Guys, look at my bathing suit here. So now I forgot to look short so I can't tear up my clothes.
Okay,
They're not. Me, sister, besides I'm a bottom, look what problem I have already. It's bust out.
Yeah, wait there.
That one is 2500.
2.5. But then when I have better material than that. But then when this can't fit me, this is a large.
Yeah, that's a full size.
Sorry, my bottom is extra large, and extra large me wear.
Go on, try.
Alright.
Let me see. Hold this here.
I'll try, man.
Yeah, man.
So let me see how it stretch.
Yeah, man, it's straight. Yeah. Are you, man? Are you?
Yeah.
Okay, for now.
So I got this short. It's 2.5. You catch me what, bro?
If me have one down, I'm just there, you know. I'm not there,
Come to say.
I can't believe.
Hey, drop. Oh shit, get up. Oi. The water's so blue and pretty.
Water feels nice. Maybe try now, but like, me have to adjust. You know?
Alright, then now go down.
Okay, we just have float road for the life jacket, guys. Not even put it on and Chupsy the back up. Chupsy have it on, our body cannot see. And plus, remember Chupsy have 2 extra flotation devices for our chest. So we don't know what she for it, bro. Yes, it. You know something like that, I'm going to use the camera stick. Alright, so we're going to try to jump off now to see if Chupsy again a little bit more confidence in that there are a lot of persons around here. Chupsy is working my nerve. But my first jump out though.
Yeah, against the tree. Yeah.
Oh, it's good. I don't know, but this time of it. Simple but juicy. Add up. There for both.
That is it. That is it.
Hey, can't sit down, dog there. I guess that's what's clear. The guy put it in the upper corner, so. Maybe I hold on a different. Right. So here I am today, trying to get over my immense fear of deep waters. Slowly but surely, at some point in time, I go jump. But I'm very, very nervous because it's not like I can't swim. It's just a case of me not liking deep waters. I don't like being in waters where I can't, like stand. Even if it's going to cover me, I can't stand, So that's that. Good, but the other side. That was a task a while ago. I have to catch me a bit from going next part. Alright guys, so I'll go over there, so right over there, there's a rope over there. But I'm tired, so if God see life jacket, so that's what I use it. So help me go over there because my arms hurt. I try to climb up on a ladder, but it's just me afraid.
That is it.
Hey, good in the mind. Hey. Going to a girl and mineral side. Okay, me after you come now and get tired. Oh yeah, we're on the white side. Right, so we're on this side. And what this side is white around here. Alright, so this side is the mineral water It's really clear and pretty for some reason. It looks so blue. There's a wrap up because trips to have a job and they close at 5 and now it's after 4. I'm gonna wash off and change my clothes. I'm just showing myself. Alright, so we're about to head home.
Make more sense if I go up instead of take taxi.
Can you finish out?
Yeah?
You're so cute. Job. What are you doing?
I'm coming.
Where are you gonna post this?
YouTube.
YouTube? What's the YouTube?
Nature Walk with Sham.
Let me see.
Alright, so I got the spicy barbecue wings and the salted fritters because they didn't have any fries. As I've got the same thing. Because anything we get to go get. Okay, Zabby had terrible food. Alright, we'll stop video. Alright, so we finished our meal. It was chef's kiss. I went and changed in my little bathing suit, so it's just shorts. And we're going by the Blue Lagoon. Can't hear the water already. Alright, so we're going down a lot of steps to go by. Someone step there, someone. Oh, okay, so we'll go this way then. You don't want to go the longer way? Okay, what the short way we're coming back. Oh, see what my pet is? My video is not sponsored. Even though they really should sponsor me. Come on, when I got asked, where's the cham? Where's the cham? How can you put there? And I'm just gonna tell you for free. I need to start being sponsored by these places. Okay. Yes, I can cook You can go kayaking here, and they do boat tours too. I don't know if they take you over to Pelú Island, but I know that they do boat rides.
Just bring this just in case you need it.
Oh, the life jacket? Okay.
So which direction your cement origin from?
Buffy.
We just kind of took over if y'all
I know, it's okay. Just listen here.
didn't know anyone else was here. Are y'all staying at Canopy?
Oh no, we're
Oh,
just
okay.
dining up there.
Gotcha.
Did you guys go in the waters yet?
Going to where?
You went in the
Oh
water?
yeah, it's nice.
Okay. Okay. So put that really cool swim cap.
Okay, I'm gonna jump.
I can't float.
With this? Yes, I can.
So, what's that shooting for me? Oh. Ready to go home.
Ready to go home.
Alright guys, so we're about to leave because it's getting pretty late and I don't want to get stranded up here. So we're gonna go back to one of the rooms to get a quick little shower to wash off the salt water off of us, and then we head home. Just remember to like, share, subscribe, and you can leave a kind comment.
Y'all have a good evening.
Alright, you too.
Thanks, sunset to you.
Alright, bye. I'll leave right now because it's a little late. Alright, so I'm gonna go up one of the room then. Oh, it's like an outside show. It's outside. Okay.
Oh, this is a rental place?
Yeah.
Awesome. Cool.
Shall have soap. So I'm gonna have to go and come here. Enjoy. I'm gonna use the dry off. Alright guys, so we're heading home now. We had a day well spent. Probably go to another location tomorrow and add that video to this. Maybe, maybe not. But once again, thank you for watching, and remember to hit the subscribe button and like the video because it helps the channel. Thank you.